Hello, my loves. Welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in with your fave. I am Sierra Stone, where I believe that beauty is within all of us. And remember, never let life stop your ability to manifest your dreams. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So, y'all, I am coming to you with one of my favorite juices. Yes, this will help with your weight loss, and if you have low iron, it's definitely going to help to build that iron. As you see, I have my beets, my carrots, the lemon, and the apple. So, I just like to cut everything up into smaller pieces before I just throw it in my juicer. And right now, I'm just cutting the lemon up, and then next, we're gonna move on to the lovely apple. But I'm telling you all, this juice has so many benefits. Just make sure you thank me later when those pounds start to drop. And comment below if you've ever thought about trying this juice or if you try it. Just let me know if what are your thoughts and what kind of results are you seeing? Because I'm telling you, I have seen amazing results with this juice. Next, I'm going to be go ahead and slicing that sticker off of the apple because, of course, who wants to drink a sticker? Like, really? I am going to use my fabulous apple slicer, which I will put the link below. So you all make sure you get that. It just makes it a lot more easier when you're juicing everything in smaller pieces. And just so you all know, let me tell you, my friends, the benefits of all this stuff. So, of course, we have our beets, which is going to help to increase the iron, reduce all that inflammation you have. It does help to support a healthy heart, along with keeping your blood pressure low. What's tea? Oh, it's going to improve the athletic performance and support any type of post exercises that you're doing. Sometimes, we all have a little brain fog. Well, yeah, it's going to help with that. And then you have your lemon, which is high in vitamin C, fiber, and it helps to control that weight. Then we have my favorite, carrots, which are going to help prevent conditions like cancer, promote wound healing within the body, along with the digestive health. So if you're having trouble with pooping, yeah, carrots is definitely going to help. And guess what? You know how we all got that visceral fat, and it's so hard to lose because it's so close to the organs. I mean, pretty much you can't touch it. Well, it wraps around your abdominal organs. Yeah, carrots help with that. And then apples will just help to lower the cholesterol and help protect against diabetes and prevents obesity. I mean, this sounds like a win-win if I must say so myself. This juice looks amazing. It tastes amazing. I did my big one on that. Y'all, comment below when you try it. Let me know your thoughts. And thanks so much for watching my channel today.